Thank you for coming here and checking out our video at S&P Brake. This is our relining process for relining a semi-truck brake shoe. The machine we're going to be using is a hydraulic brake shoe riveting press. It rolls the rivets to 10,000 psi. It uses all of our brake shoes with the 10 series rivet gets relined on this machine. I'll show you the process of relining right now. As you can see, each rivet is put in the shoe. It's rolled. Each rivet is rolled to 10,000 psi. It's like torquing a rivet on a head engine block. The rivets are torqued or crimped or rolled correctly, and it's pressure sensing. Once it hits the 10,000 psi, it releases the anvil. Without hitting it, it will not release. That way we know the brake shoe block or pad material is securely fastened to the brake shoe core. Thank you for watching our videos, and check out our other videos online.